In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move copy table to another base on Airtable Full 2024 Guide. If you've ever reorganized your workspace, collaborated with a different team, or spun up a new project, you've probably needed to move an existing table to a new base without rebuilding it from scratch. The good news is that Airtable makes this straightforward. All you need is access to both bases and permission to edit them, and you're ready to go. Start by opening the source base, the one that already contains the table you want to move. Give the base a moment to fully load so all fields and data are ready. Along the top, where you see the tabs for each table, look for the tab of the table you want to copy. Click the small drop-down arrow on that table tab and choose Copy Table. This action places a complete snapshot of the table, its fields, field types, and all the records, onto your clipboard in a special format that Airtable understands. Think of it as grabbing the whole table in one move, ready to be dropped into a new home. Next, open the destination base where you want this table to live. This can be in the same workspace or another one you have access to. Once you're inside the destination base, look for the option to add a new table. Click the plus add or import button, then select paste table. Airtable will immediately read what you copied and create a new table that mirrors the original. You'll see the fields appear with their types preserved. Single select stays single select. Checkboxes remain checkboxes. Formulas come over intact. And your records will populate right away. A few things to keep in mind as the paste completes. If your original table had linked record fields pointing to other tables, those links won't automatically connect to tables in the new base unless those linked tables also exist and are set up the same way. In many cases, the field will come over but without live links, so plan to relink if needed. Attachments will copy as part of the records, though very large tables may take a bit longer to finish processing. Views, filters, automations, and interfaces don't transfer through this copy and paste. What you're moving is the table's structure and its data, so expect to recreate those in the destination if you use them. That's all there is to it. Open the source base, copy the table, open the destination base, and paste the table. With this method, you can confidently move your work between bases while keeping your fields and records consistent.